All right. Hello, you guys. So this is my bedroom for the night. Honestly, I just started this fire. It's going well. Oh, it's gonna be warm and nice by this tent and by the koi pond. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be a great night. It's March 2021. Early in March 2021. It's going to be freezing cold tonight in this tent. It's a little windy too. So I'm gonna give you a full review. We're gonna tell some stories by the fire. Let's start up our stove. The stove is up. Let's take the top off actually. Alright. Take the top off. Right, so we'll turn it down a little bit, and I actually have two meals here. I've got a, so let's see. I have an AlpineAire enchilada ranchero fromage, which I think is gonna, that's like a super fancy ass name for a fucking prison burrito. Honestly, that's what I'm gonna tell you it is. This is gonna be a prison burrito. And this is a beef stroganoff by Mountain House beef stroganoff. And we're just gonna heat up this water and get them both going. Alrighty? Okay.
Okay, what do you think?
Alright, so this is the beef stroganoff first taste right here. I've eaten beef stroganoff all my life, so let's compare it. Mountain House beef stroganoff. Okay, the first thing I can tell is that the beef, the meat, you know, isn't quite on. It isn't quite. It's still like a little dry or something, you know, freeze dried meat, but. It's not bad. It's not bad. I was expecting to be. I was expecting it to be much more shitty, but it's actually not as shitty as I expected. These are not like super good, but these are not really that shitty.
They're not.
So,
they could have definitely been shitty.
Wow. Okay. Not bad. All right. What does it taste like?
It's not terrible. It's actually a lot better than I thought it was gonna be, and it looks.
Does it taste like a quesadilla?
It looks more appetizing than I thought it was gonna be too. Like it kind of reminds me more of like a rice. It's like a cheesy rice dish, not like an enchilada, obviously, but it's
not quite an enchilada.
It's not quite an enchilada, but it's got a pretty good flavor to it, and I'm actually really surprised.
Okay.
Yeah, I thought this was gonna be awful, and it's actually pretty good.
Right? Okay.
It's actually
okay.
It's kind of like a ricey enchilada-y, cheesy soupish thing. Yeah, it's pretty good. Yeah.
Alright, you guys, I am in the man. Look at how confined this tent is. Hold on. This is like a 6'3" or 7-foot tent. Let's lay down in it, and I get the sleeping pillow in it, man. Yeah, I am all of all this space in the tent. I've got my thermal underwear on. I've got my sleeping bag and my puffer wolf. It's a little blanket to go with this, so I think I'm gonna be okay. Actually, I'm gonna set my alarm for 5:45. I gotta be to work tomorrow. I gotta leave at like 6:45, so let's do it. I'll see you guys in the morning. Good night. All right, man. This is actually, I think, gonna be really comfortable. Okay. Good night, everybody. I'm in my little tent. Oh, this is so nice. Oh, and it is actually so warm. Look, my head's to the end. My feet are to the end, but this is a nice little tent. There's a danger of, I have big old raccoons in my yard, so, I mean, I could get mauled by raccoons here. I love you guys. If I get mauled by raccoons, see you then. You can see my breath. It's cold out here. Okay, good night, you guys. I love you. Oh, hey Daisy, how are you doing? I know you're a pretty dog. Okay, so so my tent has actually been set up now for a whole week, and today it's been raining all day. So, and I haven't been in this tent for probably 5 days now. I spent 2 nights in it, and we're gonna see if it is still dry. Hey Daisy, hey, I'm making a video. Sheesh. Okay, all right. Let's. I think she gets it. All right. As you can see, it is pretty waterproof. Let's get in this tent. Let's get in this tent. All right. Oh, we got a duck under here. This is a very small one-person tent. This is the Alps Lynx. Oh, and look, it's completely dry in here. This is amazing. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, yes. Yes, dude. This is so amazing. Okay, this tent, I'm telling you, this tent has been set up. Daisy! This tent has been. Daisy's excited. I'm sorry. She's a good dog. This tent has been set up in my yard for a week. And everything is dry in here, dude. Oh my god. Wow. Look. I am just, it's raining right now. It's not dry. It's not dry. It is not wet in here. Look, you can see the droplets of water on the rainfly outside, but look, oh my gosh. It's nice in here, really nice. I have my my lanterns is still in here. My few extra tent stakes, you know, in case I really want to stake this thing down for the wind. But it's been good. My pillow, there's my pillow, man. Damn. Oh, this is so nice. All right, yeah, this is. This tent is quality. It's completely dry in here. Wow.